Dive into the heart of Rangiroa's Blue Lagoon, where the Aquarium awaits, a beginner's paradise nestled on the west side of Nuhi Nuhi motu. Here, sheltered from currents and shallow waters, a world-renowned diving experience unfolds. Imagine gliding through a vibrant coral garden, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of marine life. Your journey begins with a pickup from your accommodation, leading to a briefing at the diving center. Equipped and informed, you'll board the boat, slicing through azure waves to your underwater stage. Under the guidance of your instructor, you'll learn essential underwater signs before descending to a mesmerizing depth of 6 meters. Remember to breathe as you're immersed in the spectacle of hundreds of marine species. This all-inclusive adventure offers return transfers, diving gear, and a guided initiation dive. Tours operate daily, accommodating a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 30 participants, with a minimum age requirement of 8 years old. Multilingual instructors ensure a comfortable experience for English, French, Japanese, German, Spanish, and Italian speakers. Don't forget to pack your essentials, including reef shoes and high SPF sunscreen. Note that natural encounters come with their risks, as injuries from fauna and flora are not covered by insurance. Embark on this initiation dive and let Rangiroa's underwater marvels captivate your senses. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.